Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello everyone, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, the only place where we make drawing and painting easy for anyone who wants to learn. So let us begin with TADA-DADA.
Hello my lovely friends, and this is the class of drawing and fun, the fun with drawing. So in this today's video we're gonna make a ladybug. Not only the single ladybug, but we're gonna make a family of ladybug, and what they're gonna do is that they are playing a race, okay, on the leaf. So for that, let's start the drawing with the pencil. I'm just gonna make a shape of leaf here, which is something like simple and cute, which is this, and like this way, and this is the direction of the leaf. Okay. So what we have to do is that first we have to make the color of this leaf. So let's do it. So here I took some green color. I'm just gonna paint this leaf first. And when the color is wet, same time you have to use the brush, a back side of the brush, to make some design like something this. See, good, the nice design here. So let's paint the rest of the leaf. So in this your color has to be a little thin. Once you done, again I'll use the back side of brush to make my some design. See, I got good nice design here. Let this get little dry. Yes, now it became a very much dry this thing, and now we're gonna make the ladybugs, and for that I'm gonna use my finger. On that, first I'll use the index finger, and as everybody knows that ladybug has the red color. And as I said that there is not only single lady but a family of ladybugs gonna playing the race. So what they are doing, they are just jumping from here and racing toward this side. So let's start with this. So some bug is here. Then again I'll take another color, little bit more color. There's someone is here reached as a little bigger one. I'll touch up little bit with the brush to the exact get the size, and I have to show one more this thing. So there's more color on my finger, and there is a small kid. He's in the front. He's like very smart and fast. 3 ladybugs what we drawn. Now the fourth one is like somewhere here. He just jumped up, and for that I'm just showing this. Here, so this way that we drawn these 4 ladybugs, and we gonna give them these small legs and the other designs. So let's start. So let's do it. So let's start with this one first. So if you observe that the ladybug has the fur, head portion is a black, and there are some spots a black spot on the body. So this way we made the dots on the body, and it has the antennas which is going forward. So this way this ladybug is moving forward, and here you can see the small legs. This one is the first bug, ladybug, what we drawn. The next we're gonna do this one. Is again a head which is the black. And then the few spots on the body. And the antennas is coming forward, and these are the legs. So this way the second one is also done. Let's go to the third one, which is this one. As again the black head, some circles on the body, the antennas and the legs. So they three are running for the race to win the race. And here the last one, he is very much enjoying these things, and he just jumped from this area. So he'll just show some lines here. And here I'll show the head of this thing, and the antennas are up here now in this case. And he's very much happy. Few spots on the body. Right? So he just jumped, so his legs are towards the back. Oh, it's a nice ladybug race. And to show that some of the areas, I'll just draw some of the lines to show their path from where they're gonna run. And this has become mostly a winner of this race. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you will like it, share it with your friends. So see you soon with the next more fun video, the drawing with the fun.
To learn more such enjoyable drawing, do not forget to subscribe our channel TADA-DADA Art Club, and you can like and share our videos. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Enjoy!